try to give riders an idea what their speed should be. I have them follow me through. It works for some riders, doesn't work for all of them, but for most of the time, most riders are going too slow. Speed through this exercise about 10 to 12 miles an hour, up to about 15 if you want to brake and then pick up speed and then brake and pick up speed. The idea of this is to get above 5 miles an hour, because anything above 5, you got more force pulling you forward than gravity pulling you down. 5 miles an hour below, there's a good chance the bike could fall over. You cannot make these motorcycles turn at 8 or 10 miles an hour when it's straight up. It must lean. Got to learn to lean that motorcycle.